Welcome to 820 North Salem Avenue in Arlington Heights. This is actually in a cul-de-sac. We are at the back of the cul-de-sac with a private backyard. The home may look a little cute and small from the front, traditional Cape Cod home, but it has a massive addition that was added in 2017 along with a new roof that puts this house at 2,227 square feet. So you'll notice the initial walking into the property that this is a cute little Cape Cod. It's got the arched entryway here and the arched doorway going from the living room into the dining room. But as we said, we really want you to get a good look at the amazing addition that's been added to the back of the home. And let's take a walk back here and look at this kitchen. You would never know from the outside that this beautiful kitchen would be here with all the stainless appliances, great granite countertop, and then, huge dining area, nice built-in cabinets, kind of a Frank Lloyd Wright feel. If you look at some of the windows and the doors, the way the trim is for those, and then this spacious, elegant, cozy with the fireplace, gas start fireplace, family room. What a great way to have parties, hang out with your family. And let's take a quick look from this angle just to kind of show from the family room the whole expanse of family room to kitchen, French doors into the office space, beautiful view of the yard. And this home does not back to any other homes, so you have a fair amount of privacy here. We're going to show you the beautiful laundry room. What is neat is when the addition was added onto this property, they connected the laundry mudroom space right to the garage, so that essentially attached the garage to the house. And then we've got a laundry room right here, and this outer area can be used kind of like a mud room. You could do cubbies for your kids. Great place to take off your shoes and boots. You'll notice as we come through there is a built-in there for the microwave. And then here is your little home office space with, as you saw, the French doors you can close off here. Coming through the hallway, there is a laundry chute to the basement and nice bathroom, cute tile. So you have the full bathroom here on the first floor with a bedroom, and then an additional full bathroom we're going to show you on the second level. Okay, another part that is traditional for a Cape Cod is this upper kind of attic bedroom type space. This here is a master bedroom with a beautiful walk-in closet with a nice ceiling, great little octagonal window looking out the back. And then as you walk down the hallway here, you have a really pretty hall, full bathroom. There's a big closet here on the left too. So both bedrooms have decent sized closets. And a linen closet in that bathroom. And then this is your other bedroom up here. So you've got two really nice sized bedrooms on the second level. And then the last thing I'll tell you is we did not show you the basement, but it's got a large basement with an additional fireplace. So be sure to schedule your showing, look through the photos, and definitely take a look at the basement as well. It's a lot of great entertainment space. We'll see you soon.